Hello everybody, it's Shameem again. Today we are going to make peppermint creams, and the equipment that you will need is a tray with some greaseproof paper on it, which we're going to sprinkle with icing sugar, some cutters, which I haven't got proper cutters, but I'm using a milk top, milk bottle top, and want something off one of my Bunsen burners. Just wash them, as long as they're plastic, you can use them. Any cutter you can use. Anything in the house, or just wash and clean. A rolling pin, some greaseproof baking paper, a bowl and a sieve. That's the equipment you will be needing. The ingredients for peppermint creams is icing sugar. This is peppermint extract, a few drops of that. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 egg white, whisked, and if you want to have your pepper creams half chocolate or full chocolate, it's up to you. 200 grams of melted chocolate. We're going to melt this later. That's optional, otherwise you can just have them as plain mint creams. Hello everybody, now that we've seen the ingredients and the equipment, I've just sieved 250 grams of icing sugar in here, and then I've got 1 egg white that I've whisked. In it I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Here it goes. And then I'm going to add this mixture, mix it and add it to the icing sugar. All you do then is mix it with the fork as long as you can to bind it. It needs to come into a ball. At the moment my mixture looks like, if it's too sticky you need to add more icing sugar, and if it's too dry you need to add, oh I forgot the peppermint oil, a few drops of the peppermint oil as well. 1 or 2 because it's very strong, or 3 and 4 if you want it strong. 1, 2, 3. I'll go for 3. That needed to be added in as well at the same time. So mine needs more icing sugar in it. When you can mix it no more with the fork, because I've added more icing sugar to it, then you need to start mixing it with your hands to make a ball. And then all you need is a clean surface with some icing sugar on it. This is what it should look like. A ball of dough. This needs to be then rolled out. So all we do is roll it out to a ½ centimetre thick. Once it's rolled out, all you do, using your cutters, you cut out the shapes. Hi guys, I tried to use the cutter, this one, the blue top, and the other one, and it's not worked. So if you've got a proper cutter, then please use it. Otherwise what you do is what I'm doing, get little balls. If you've rolled it out, use the cutter and it works, that's fine. Otherwise just get little balls and fatten them up to the shape you want. So the size of the, I'll show you those in a minute once I've done them all. And if you've got a tray with greaseproof paper on it and some sprinkled icing sugar, and you can put them on there to set, so that once they're set you'll have to set them for 2 hours or overnight depending how hungry you are. So do these once I've done these, and then I can show you what they look like. They're just little discs. You can do them any shape you want if you've got love hearts, cutters, anything. Round, cutter, square, whichever shape, animals. So just small balls about that size. Just flatten them if you haven't got a cutter with your fingers. And it looks like a little disc. So that's your peppermint cream ready. Wait 2 hours or overnight, and then we can add the chocolate bit to them. Here you go guys, these are ready now. I've made them as little balls and then just flatten them out with my hands. Okay, so these need to be rested now for 2 hours so that they can harden up slightly, and then we will do half with chocolate and leave half as plain. But if you don't want chocolate, then these are ready after 2 hours or overnight. Hello everybody, I'm back now. This has been in my kitchen, and as you can see, they have settled nicely, hardened. So I'm just melting the chocolate now, and then we can dip them half in chocolate. Out of that recipe, I managed to make about 39 mint creams. So if you make them small, you can make a bit more. But these are ready. I'll just check my chocolate. Here's the melted chocolate look. So what I'm going to do is half dip these. It might be easier if I just dip it in like that. Here you go guys, the end result of peppermint creams with chocolate. They don't look very neat, but that's the best I can do. I've done some with half chocolate, not kept any of mine, I've done some with full chocolate because I had lots of chocolate left over. So you need to reset these again, so another hour or two until the chocolate hardens, and then they're ready to eat. Thank you, bye.